incredible snowstorm. I just went through some of it. I think it's gonna go through more. Quiet. Oh. Beautiful. I love snowstorms like this. Okay, yeah, that's called a salt truck. Okay. Nice. Okay. Oh, jeez. Oh, wow. That is called a whiteout. Oh my goodness, this is a blizzard. I haven't seen a whiteout in a long time. Look, you can't even see beyond like a couple yards in front of me. Well, actually like 100 yards. It starts to get pretty white up there. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. This is what we call a blizzard, or a spring blizzard. It's not quite spring, but this is what we call a nice spring blizzard.